Next
camera,
or players
it's
to
awful.
forget.
or it's opposite.
Make fun of us.
Scissor Beach, here we come. It's not bad.
It's a 10 o'clock opening and we can't make it on time.
Gosh. Oh, there's the putt putt place. That's weird. At Typhoon, we always had to scan them in and show that you're staying on a resort to get towels.
Man, you guys are chumps.
You know?
Those girls walked up and they all both were like,
Did you hear me though? You know? At the other place, we had to scan them in our band. It's weird. No, you had to be at a resort. But they didn't even check. You had to be at a resort. I want to go in that.
I guess what's up?
No melting. No melt too fast. Thank you for the red. No, there's like a shoe rinser and you can rinse them.
I know, but
Where's he going? I'm not riding it. Go. Go. This is where we should have put them.
Yeah, go get it.
I might. I don't either. Just stand right here. Watch them. I'm gonna go get our stuff and move it right here. Are you guys all riding it? Crosley, sit down in that chair and watch them. I'll be right back.
look, they have that.
Crosley, go.
You guys can do it real quick.
Okay. Oh, the screaming tent.
There's Kata. Fast? Yeah, fast. It's all, but he's so far away. No, I got them both a little bit. It's hard, it doesn't zoom, so. Is Dad and Noah next?
I think that.
Whoa, Noah flipped.
There you go. The camel in the water. Small. It's small if you don't have a camel in the water.
It's kind of like,
Goody goody goody, watch out,
reminds me of
goody goody goody, watch out, lingangu, lingangu.
came out the rocks.
Goody goody goody, watch out, lingangu, 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 goody goody goody, watch out. Alright.
This happens, my foot wouldn't hurt when I walk on water even. It's weird.
Oh!
Super gum.
We're pushing me back.
Definitely not like this.
Are you videoing?
Really?
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One awful whip can send you reeling. One lovely step can be appealing. Your mind defines what hinders your nose. That's how you tell the skunk is not a rose.
Are you putting that on GoPro?
You know, I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea. We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
What is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.